And the rope, McDollar grabbing the early lead and getting better, moving up on the paddle outside. And entry number 2, Nuclear Power, now moving up on the inside to grab the lead. Nuclear Power, followed by Getting Better, McDollar. And moving up now on the outside is Mega Max. In between horses is Action Sailor. Into the backstretch, Getting Better by a length and a half. Nuclear Power running in second. And Action Sailor moving up by the rail. Mega Max on the outside. Entry number 7, Queen Alicia and McDollar. Into the backstretch is Still Getting Better, followed by Nuclear Power in second. And Mega Max on the outside. Action Sailor by the rail in fourth. And nearing the fat turn, it is Still Getting Better, followed by Nuclear Power on the outside. Action Sailor by the rail, and Mega Max Scud Missile now moving up, and Queen Alicia. And at the fat turn, Getting Better. It's Getting Better by the rail on the outside, Nuclear Power, and here comes Mega Max moving up on the outside, Action Sailor, and Scud Missile, Queen Alicia, McDollar. The last bend for home, Getting Better by the rail. On the outside is Nuclear Power, and on the further outside is Mega Max. At the top of the stretch, Nuclear Power in the lead, followed by Getting Better by the rail, and Mega Max moving up on the further outside. Nuclear Power in the lead, followed by Mega Max on the outside. Nuclear Power, Mega Max Getting Better by the rail. And here in the payoff line is still Nuclear Power in the lead, followed by Mega Max on the outside. And finally at the payoff line, it's Nuclear Power, Mega Max Getting Better, McDollar, Scud Missile, Action Sailor, Queen Alicia,